Hello, today we will guide you through how to change language in GnuCash. In this walkthrough, we'll edit a small setting so GnuCash displays in your preferred language. We'll work right from the Windows desktop and use File Explorer to reach the correct file. Start on your desktop. Open File Explorer. If you have a This PC icon on the desktop, double-click it. Otherwise, open File Explorer from the taskbar and then choose This PC. In the list of drives, open Local Disk C. Next, open the folder named Program Files, x86. This is a common install location for many Windows applications. Find the GnuCash folder and open it. Inside the GnuCash directory, open the folder named etc. and then open the subfolder named GnuCash. Here, look for a file called Environment. Right-click that file and choose Edit, or open it with Notepad. If Windows asks for permission, confirm to continue so you can make changes. With the file open in Notepad, press Ctrl and F together to bring up the Find box and type the word lang. This search takes you to the section that controls the language setting. You'll likely see a line that references lang or a similar variable, sometimes accompanied by comments that explain how to use it. Follow the on-screen guidance shown in the file. Now change the 2 capital letters in the locale code to match the country you want to use. For example, to use Italian, set the country code to IT. The locale often appears as a pair such as in us, where the first part is the language and the last 2 uppercase letters are the country. Keep the format the same and only adjust those last 2 letters. Take care not to remove any necessary characters or spacing around the value so the setting is read correctly. When you've made the edit, press Ctrl and S to save your changes. If Notepad prompts you, confirm the save. You can close the editor when you're done. The new language preference will be read the next time GnuCash starts, and the interface should appear using the locale you specified. And that's it. You started from the desktop, opened This PC through File Explorer, navigated to Local Disk C, drilled into Program Files, x86, located the GnuCash folder, opened it in the GnuCash, edited the environment file in Notepad, searched for lang, followed the on-screen guidance, changed the 2-letter country code, and saved. Enjoy using GnuCash in your preferred language.